For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of spending hours trying to achieve salon-quality blowouts at home? I know I was, but here's what surprised me about the Revlon One-Step Blowout Brush: it actually works. Therefore, if you're struggling with tangled, frizzy hair or just want to save time and effort, keep watching. We'll dive into the pros and cons of this popular Amazon product and see if it really lives up to its claims. But first, let's take a closer look at what makes it tick. The Revlon One-Step Blowout Brush uses a combination of ionic technology and ceramic-coated bristles to smooth and straighten hair in one easy step. But there's more to this brush than meets the eye. Therefore, I'll share some surprising facts about its design and performance that will make you wonder how something so simple can be so effective. So, if you're ready to learn more about this game-changing blowout brush, let's get started. Rehook, what are the main benefits of using the Revlon One-Step Blowout Brush? The main benefits include: saves time and effort with a single-use design, smooths and straightens hair in one easy step, uses ionic technology to reduce frizz and add shine, ceramic-coated bristles for gentle, damage-free styling. Therefore, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to achieve salon-quality blowouts at home, this brush is definitely worth considering. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into the pros and cons. Rehook, what are some potential drawbacks of using the Revlon One-Step Blowout Brush? Some potential drawbacks include: limited heat control can be a problem for those with very curly or fragile hair. May not work as well on extremely thick or coarse hair. Some users find it difficult to maneuver and get used to. However, I'll share some surprising tips and tricks that will help you maximize the performance of this brush. Therefore, stick around and keep watching. Rehook, what are some surprising facts about the Revlon One-Step Blowout Brush? Some surprising facts include: the ceramic-coated bristles are not only gentle on hair, but also dishwasher safe. The ionic technology reduces frizz and adds shine by up to 50%. This brush is not just for blowouts, it can also be used as a styling tool. Therefore, if you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use blowout brush that delivers salon-quality results at home, the Revlon One-Step Blowout Brush is definitely worth considering. Rehook, what do real customers have to say about this product? Real customers rave about its ease of use and effectiveness in smoothing and straightening hair. However, some users find it difficult to maneuver and get used to. Therefore, I'll share my own experience with the Revlon One-Step Blowout Brush and see if it lives up to its claims. In conclusion, after trying out the Revlon One-Step Blowout Brush for myself, I can confidently say that it delivers on its promises of saving time and effort while achieving salon-quality blowouts at home. Therefore, don't hesitate to give it a try. But remember, as with any new product, it's essential to follow the instructions carefully and use common sense. For those who are interested in purchasing this product for themselves, I highly recommend clicking the link in the description below for the best price on Amazon.